Hey everybody, it's Ivy. So today we're going to be talking about transparent lace fronts, okay? I have been itching to get one of these, and let me just tell you, these things are not for dark skin, but I'm going to show you how to take it from this to this really, really easy, y'all. Like, you're not going to believe it. So let's get right into the hair we're using. We're going to be using a lace front wig from Dsoar hair. This is a Peruvian straight transparent wig. It did come pre-plucked. All I had to do was go in and bleach my knots. I haven't done any plucking to this unit. But girl, this lace is too light for anyone, even like a caramel complexion or darker. If you are a chocolate or caramel baby, you definitely have to tint your lace for this to melt properly. So I was researching some fabric dyes, and I came across this one dye, and I was like, this looks like it'll be a really good idea to tint lace front wigs. So I got this Tulip Color Shop Instant Fabric Color in brown. And basically the bottle just says to give it a really, really good shake before spraying it. It mentions you can, layer on the color. So one thing you want to do before you spray this stuff all over your wig, you want to cut a piece of the lace from the bottom of your wig. And this is going to be your test strip. Go ahead and place that lace on an old towel. I use this towel to color all of my hair. And give the lace a few sprays of the fabric dye. And then test the color against your skin tone and see if this color even works for you. Now, for me, it was a instant match. You guys, it was the perfect color for my skin. Like, I was so happy. So I ended up turning my wig inside out, and I put it on my mannequin head, and I made sure to move all of the hairs out of the way. I gave my can a really good shake, and I sprayed my wig one time, and I did do this in sections, and I am standing kind of far back. You don't want to be super up close on your wig because this stuff is powerful. So make sure you're in a well ventilated area and stand back, you guys, like at least 3 feet away from your unit, because you don't want to oversaturate it with this color. You just want to lightly tone your lace. And be sure to let your unit dry for approximately 3 hours. So this is how it looks after I let it dry. So this is how it looked right after it was done drying. And I noticed I had a little bit of the color on my hair strands. So all I did was take some 91% alcohol, and I rubbed the hair strands in the front. And I also rubbed the 90% alcohol on the bottom side of my lace just to clean it off a bit, because I think this color does leave a little bit of film. And make sure you shampoo your unit after. So this is right after I shampooed my unit, and as you guys can see, look how this lace just melts into my skin color. It is the perfect color. I really like this method using this fabric dye. You just have to be sure to clean your lace after it's dry with alcohol, because this color does kind of bleed if you don't clean it first. But once you clean it with alcohol and wash your unit, you don't get any bleeding at all from the lace, and it just, you guys, it looks so perfect. So now I'm going to throw my wig on my head, and you guys, like, I was so in love with how this wig was blending. This transparent lace just, I don't know, it's like something different about it. It just looks so nice. And one quick tip, you guys, before we get into the installation of the wig: if your unit keeps coming loose in the back, the little hook latch, you can actually go in and stitch it. This is what I do to all my wigs to make sure my wigs stay in place, because it's nothing worse than those little hooks coming loose in the back and trying to fix it on a wig that's already glued on, okay? So let's get right back into installing this, and you guys, it looks so good. And I'm just going to be using my Got2b freeze spray today. And I'm just spraying it right onto the lace, and I'm rubbing it in and using my blow dryer. And, everything's stuck down really easy, really simple. You guys have seen me do this method 1,000 times, but I am doing it with the baby hairs kind of back a little bit, and spraying the Got2b spray in the back of my baby hair. I don't know why I started doing it like this. It just seems like it lays better like this and it looks more seamless. And make sure right after you spray on your got-to-be spray, you're using your blow dryer, because that's what's going to help everything stick down and hold really, really good. So now I'm going to go in and peel that back and just cut that lace off, making sure you're moving your scissors around because you don't want straight edged lace. It looks fake. And now I'm just going to go ahead and cut my baby hairs, and I'm kind of leaving them a little bit long because I don't want super gelled down baby hairs. I want really soft, flexible baby hairs. I'm going to show you guys how I do that. You want to go ahead and take some wrap lotion and just brush down your baby hairs in the way or shape that you want them. You guys can see me doing that right here. And yeah, it looks crazy right there. You want to go ahead and tie your baby hairs down. And I leave mine tied down for about an hour, 30 minutes to an hour, just until everything dries down. So now we're going to take a little edge brush, and you just want to break up the hard cast that the wrap lotion caused. And this will reveal soft laid baby hairs, okay? I am so over the crunchy look. The soft baby hairs look so much better and way more natural. And now I'm just going to do a little quick flat iron. I really like the texture of this hair, and I love that it came jet black. I didn't color this wig. It just came super black, and it just looks really, really natural. Really impressed with the quality of the hair. I didn't get any shedding. I got a little bit of tangles, but not much. I do love how the company plucked everything. Everything looks really good. I do wish, though, that they will come out with a lace that is considered transparent or HD that matches dark skin without any toning. So this is the complete look. I wanted to keep everything nice and sleek today. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried out HD lace or transparent lace. Let me know if you like it. Just give me all your feedback about them and about this hair. If you're interested in this wig, make sure you check out the description bar below. Links and details will be down there. Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Please don't forget to thumb this up and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.